everyone! Welcome to another travel vlog. Please join us for another fun adventure because we are going on another Royal Caribbean cruise with the whole fam bam. Last time, nung 2022, we already went on a Royal Caribbean cruise. Pero yung port namin was in Singapore and we went to Port Klang and Penang, Malaysia, and also Phuket, Thailand. But this time, our port naman is going to be in Hong Kong and we will be going to Okinawa and Ishigaki, Japan. Unfortunately, yung ship namin for this cruise is still Spectrum of the Seas. Yun din yung ship namin last time in Singapore. But sabi nga ng mga kasama namin, it's not the ship, it's the destination. So okay lang sa kanila na pareho yung ship namin, pero iba naman kasi yung pupuntahan. So it's going to be a different experience pa rin nga naman. So anyway, it's December 28 today. We will be flying first to Hong Kong kasi dun yung port namin. Yung embarkation date nga pala namin for the cruise is on December 30th pa. So we will spend our first 2 days in Hong Kong and then we will board the Royal Caribbean Spectrum of the Seas on December 30th. Our flight is at 7:10 a.m. later via Cebu Pacific again. Actually, yung Herrera clan are flying via Manila to Hong Kong and the other half of the group, the Hipólito group, will be flying from Clark to Hong Kong naman. So magkikita-kita na lang kami sa Hong Kong later upon arrival kasi magkalapit lang naman yung flight ni Manila at ni Clark. And also, si Ate Nabi is already on the plane actually en route to Hong Kong. So, she's flying directly from Melbourne to Hong Kong at doon na rin natin siya ini-meet. So, this is going to be a complete family trip. So, everyone is very excited. So, please join us. We'll share with you our experience as we go around Hong Kong first before we board the Royal Caribbean cruise. Anyway, nandito na din yung mga kasama natin. Eto na sila.
Hi!
We will be leaving for the airport in a bit. Again, it's December 28 today. So, titingnan natin kung kamusta yung dami ng tao sa airport. By the way, don't forget to fill up your e-travel again every time you fly out of Manila. We'll see you later!
Bye! See you!
Hello! We're already here at the pre-departure area. Time check, 4 a.m. Dumating kami ng airport ng 3:10 a.m. Ang bilis in fairness, kahit kay Cebu Pacific, ang bilis ng process. Mahaba yung pila sa check-in, pero mabilis. Tapos dito sa immigration, mahaba din yung pila. Ang bilis din ng proseso. So, 50 minutes, nandito na kami sa loob. So, nice. Kahit na ang daming tao, peak season, hindi nagkakagulo, mabilis yung proseso. Anyway, we're going to have breakfast, quick breakfast first before we board. Papakita ko lang sa inyo yung aming special passenger. Yeah! Sarap ng buhay. See ya! See you in Hong Kong! Hello! We are already here at the airport. Nakuha na namin yung mga bagahe namin. Medyo nangarag lang kami kasi yung baby namin, yung wheelchair nawawala. Sa ibang conveyor belt pala siya sa 18. Doon yung mga oversized luggage. Doon pala siya kailangan i-claim. Nag-iisa na lang siya doon. So doon kami natagalan. Anyway, andito na yung ibang kasama. The Clark batch is here too. Hi! Puro inaantok. Okay, so now we're going to meet with Ate Nabi naman. We're going to go look for her. Lalabas na muna kami. Ayan na. Napagod kami. Ang layo. Okay, we're all out. We're here. And we're going to meet with Ate Nabi niya. Sabi niya, nandun siya sa fine print. I can already see the coffee shop. Parang nakikita ko na siya. I think that's Ate Nabi over there. Let's go to her. Ayan si fine print. Siya ba yun? Isa at Ate Nabi in the corner. Kanina pa siya dumating dito ng 6:30 a.m. Is that the ate? Hi, ate! Hi, ate!
Can I buy another coffee now?
Coffee! Coffee na naman. Oh, you say hello to everybody. There's ate.
Na-block yata na itong ano.
Kiss. Kiss, kuya. Tayo.
Buti ka pa, naakap mo pa yan. Ako nga yun, nagpaakap yan. There! Reunited ang cousins! Magpapalit muna kami ng pera kasi wala kaming Hong Kong dollars. $50 na lang yung natira sa akin. Wala kaming mahanap na malapit na ATM dito sa area ni Fine Print Coffee Shop. Ito lang yung meron, si Global Exchange. So magka-cash withdrawal muna kami. Let's see yung rates niya. Okay, ito yung exchange rates niya. Si peso, ayan yung equivalent niya. 100 is 11 Hong Kong dollars. Okay, let's see. Start exchange. Last time na ginamit namin to ng friends ko, hindi niya binasa yung new bills. So, I made it a point to bring yung mga old peso bills natin. Yung ganito, yung madulas, yung plastic, hindi niya kinakain. So, ayan, nagpapalit na kami ng pera. One note at a time yung pagpalit sa kanya. And the receipt. That's the rate. 11.643 for every 100 pesos. So, yung total namin is 815 Hong Kong dollars for 7,000 pesos. Hindi namin alam kung kasya na to for 19 people to ride the transfer from the airport to the city. So, we'll see. Kung kulang, magpapalit na lang kami ulit. Kay Google, yung exchange rate dapat ni Hong Kong dollars, ito dapat yung makukuha, 926 for 7,000 pesos. Pero yung nakuha namin is 815. So, lugi kami ng mga 110 Hong Kong dollars dun sa currency exchange. So, hanap na lang kami ng ATM later. I think it has a better rate. We'll see. We'll check if the ATM has a better rate later. We're already purchasing our ticket for the Airport Express. Nag-decide kami na mag-Airport Express na lang para nandito lang siya sa airport. Dito niya kami sa kiosk to dinirect kasi we're purchasing for 19 people and pwede naman dito ang card. So now we are using GCash. We will compare if it's better to use GCash or yung currency converter na ginawa namin kanina. This is how you buy. Bababa kaming Hong Kong station, 3 adults, and then touch card. And we wait for the tickets. Hello, we're already here at the Airport Express. Ayan, nagkahiwa-hiwalay kami. Yung kalahati nandun sa kabilang card. By the way, kasi naguguluhan kami dun sa tickets namin. Bumili lang kasi kami basta-basta ng ticket. Tapos si ate na yung tumulong sa amin. If you can see, one ticket is 76.70 Hong Kong dollars. And the other one is only $70. So, kasi 19 tickets yung pinurchase namin. So, hindi namin alam kung bakit may 76.70 at saka merong $70 dun sa ticket namin. Ginamit namin yung GCash card naman in paying dun sa Airport Express ticket namin. And lumalabas yung conversion rate kay GCash. Parang nadadagdagan lang siya ng 0.15 Hong Kong dollars on the average. As compared dun sa currency exchange na ginamit namin kanina, nadagdagan siya ng halos $2, not even 2 pesos. $2 yung difference niya from the current exchange rate. So, nalugi kami dun sa currency exchange. Dapat pala konti lang muna yung pinalit namin dun. So, winner pa rin dito sa Hong Kong si GCash. Subukan naman namin si ATM later na mag-withdraw also kung kamusta naman yung rate ng withdrawal kay ATM.
Kasubukan namin magbayad sa mga stores ng GCash.
Ng GCash. Para we'll see also if tama yung conversion na nakita namin from the ticket. Anyway, we're already here. We'll see you later. Magche-check-in muna kami sa hotel. By the way, we are checked in at Marco Polo Gateway Hotel. See ya! We're already here at Hong Kong Station. So, since QR code yung ticket namin, dito yung labasan sa side na to. Ito pala for octopus cards yung mga yan. So, dito kami. So, you scan the QR code here para bumukas yung gate. Paglabas naman ng Airport Express, since sa Chimshatchoy kami pupunta, we have to transfer to the Red Line, subway na kami. So it's here. We're here na sa Kowloon Station, again, yung pa-transfer ng subway. So we need to go to the Red Line to go to Chimshatchoy Station. So dito yung ticket, booth cash payment only. $12.50 per person from Kowloon Station to Chimshatchoy Station. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, pero that's how I remembered it was pronounced when we were here last time. So, bibili muna kami ng ticket and go to the subway. Hello, nandito na kami sa Chimshatchoy Station. Chimshatchoy, I don't know. Anyway, may episode na naman kami. Naiwanan tong apat. Ayan, sa train, hindi sila nakalabas. Pero actually, akala ko yung mga anak ko lang yung naiwa. Hindi sila nakalabas ng train. Oh my God. So, be careful when you're going out of the train. The door closes agad. So, kailangan mabilis yung pagbaba. Oh my God, nagkakagulo kami kasi akala ko yung dalawang boys na yung naiwan sa loob ng train. Buti na lang meron palang ibang kasama. Mga naiwan. Oh my God. Ang adrenaline, yes. Anyway, we're just waiting for the seniors naman. May nawawala kasi nag-elevator sila. Hindi namin alam kung saan elevator sila sumakay. So we're just waiting for them and we will go to Gateway Hotel for check-in. By the way, I forgot to say, sa airport pala ni Hong Kong, yung immigration, you don't need to fill up anything. Just show your passport. Walang immigration form or whatever. Passport lang and you're good. See ya! Hello! Nakapag-check-in na kami kay Gateway Hotel. Actually, nakita pa namin yung Soto Brothers. Nandun sila sa lobby. Kaya lang nahiya naman ako magpa-picture sa kanila.
Tita ninyo, meron?
Yung mga kasama namin nagpa-picture, but I was busy checking in also kasi dun sa counter. Anyway, magla-lunch muna kami. We're here. This is Gateway Mall, I think, or Harbor City. And we are going to have lunch first at Cafe de Coral because our check-in time at the hotel is at 3 p.m. Time check, it's 1:45 p.m. So, dumating kami ng
6:45.
Dumating siya ng 6:45. Dumating kami ng mga 10. Nagkaroon lang kami ng problema din sa pag-claim ng wheelchair. Natagalan kami. And since madami kami, syempre, madaming antay-antay. So, ngayon lang kami nakarating dito sa Chimshatchoy.
May naligaw pa.
Oo, may naligaw pa, may nawala pa. Kaya, ayan. Anyway, we're having lunch. Bakit may nawala? Bakit may nawala?
Ano ko ito mga yun? Sino nawawala?
Yung tatay, hindi ina-account yung mga anak. Iniwanan sa train station, naiwan sila.
No, not the train station. The train.
The train. Naiwan sa loob ng train. Bye! We'll have lunch first. Hello, nandito na kami, Cafe de Coral. Dito muna kami magle-late lunch. Again, parati naming first stop sa Hong Kong, Cafe de Coral. So mag-order muna kami. Marami kami, so medyo magulo. Mag-order muna kami. Finally, naka-order na kami. Dahil madami nga kami, nagkagulo na naman kami sa ordering and gutom na yung mga peoples. So, Nabi and I got this. It's the combo. Actually, ito yung reason kung ba't kami nagkagulo. Kasi wala siya dun sa online ordering kiosk nila. Because it's a lunch special. Doon lang siya na-order na doon sa cashier. Kasi tapos na pala yung lunch. Anyway, this is our food. Kamusta?
Very good. It's very good.
It's good naman.
49 for all of this.
That's 49 with a drink. No.
The drink, 11, chrysanthemum tea.
Okay. This one naman, yung combo namin ni Nabi, 4 barbecue items, it's $50. How is it, ate? Good naman. Ayan yung iba, we're all eating na. Kain muna kami. We're already done eating with Cafe de Coral. So far, okay naman siya. Hindi lang namin alam kung tama yung order namin ni Nabi kasi there should be duck. Kasi nga 4 barbecue items siya. Pero yung bowl namin, walang duck. Nalungkot ako, yeah. We got scammed. Yan yung kina-crave namin. Siya pa yung nawala.
Di ata marunong magbilang sa yung nag-aayos ng order.
Akala niya 4 na.
4.
Nawala yung isang barbecue item. Anyway, we're just waiting for the others. Kumakain pa sila kasi yung iba ang tagal dumating ng order. So, hindi pa sila tapos kumain. After this, we're going to check in the hotel. I'm going to give you a quick room tour of Gateway Marco Polo. Antok na kami lahat. Wala kaming tulog because early flight. Siya naman, it's an overnight flight from Melbourne. Hello! We're already here in the room. Again, we are checked in at Gateway Marco Polo Hotel along Canton Road here in Hong Kong. And we got the deluxe room. We booked this actually at Trip.com because at that time, si Trip yung may pinakamurang rates for the hotel. So, we got 5 rooms for all of us and I'll give you a quick room tour. This is the bathroom. Malaki actually yung banyo nitong hotel na to. There. Nice mirror. Here's the shower area. Ito yung mga products nila. And then, there's the toilet. Unfortunately, nakalimutan po, wala nga pala silang bidet dito. 2 bathrooms. And I'll show you again yung sink. Silipin natin kung ano meron. Ayan yung mga amenities. Toothpaste, toothbrush, cotton pads, cotton buds, sanitary bag, tissue, soap. Yan, ang ganda ng mirror. And this is the room. So, 2 twin beds yung setup nila for this room with a sofa. And then, ito yung desk. It says here, complimentary minibar, replenish daily. Pero ito lang naman yung laman niya. Coke and beer? Beer ba yan? Hindi ko mabasa, sorry. Barley. Imported quality. Anyway, ayan lang yung kasama sa minibar. But at least meron kang Coke every day. And the coffee. Naka-Nespresso sila. There. And there's a small cabinet over there. So again, this is Gateway Marco Polo Hotel in Hong Kong. And we booked this room again from Trip.com. And yung presyo na nakuha namin sa kanya is 21,837 per room per night. Yun yung presyo niya. Actually, normally, the rate is mga nasa 16,000 plus ata. Ganun yung presyo na nakuha namin when we stayed here last February. But since it's December, of course, as everywhere else, medyo mataas na yung rate na nakuha namin sa kanya, unfortunately. So there, that's it. We'll just settle down for a little bit and then we'll see kung anong pwede namin gawin later because we're all tired from the trip. We'll see ya!
See ya.
By the way, yung socket nga pala nila dito sa Hong Kong, ganito nga pala yung itsura. Actually, I forgot about it, so wala kaming dalang adapters today. So, titingnan namin kung makakahanap din kami ng adapter kung pwede kami manghiram sa hotel or we have to buy somewhere else kasi hindi kami makakapag-charge ng aming mga gadgets. So, when you go here in Hong Kong, don't forget to bring an adapter for that kind of socket. And also, sina bossing, di ba sabi namin, nakita namin kanina sa lobby, apparently, kapitbahay namin sila ng room. They're just beside us. So, hopefully, makasalubong natin sila during our stay here at the hotel. We're out! Kami lang 6. Yung lumabas, nag-give up na yung iba. Ayan.
Matira matibay.
Matira matibay.
Team Melbourne.
So, we will try to go to Citygate this afternoon para makapag-shopping na kami because they are looking for some things that they need. So, magsi-Citygate na kami ngayon because we don't have time anymore. We only have tomorrow to go around and mahirap naman na mag-shopping kung kasama din yung mga seniors. So, we'll take advantage of this afternoon. So, we'll see you at Citygate. Hello, nandito na kami sa Citygate Outlets. Ayan na siya. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina kasi kaming 4 lang actually nung kids yung nandito. Ginagawa kong patungan. Nagpipicture sila nung fountain. Ayan. Anyway, nagkakagulo lang kami parati sa train. Just to remind you also, Cash basis pa rin kasi sila mostly. Tapos yung mga kiosks, nagtatanggap lang sila ng up to $100. Eh nung nag-withdraw ako, ang lumabas $500. So kailangan muna naming maghanap ng store, magpabarya. Kasi yung parang yung customer service station sarado din, no?
Yeah.
Dun sa Chimshatchui station. So bumili muna kami ng something para magpabarya kami. So just take note na you need to have cash pa rin dito sa Hong Kong for commuting. Hindi na rin kami kumuha ng Octopus card kasi 2 days lang naman kami and there's 19 of us. So parang sayang lang. Anyway, we're already here at Citygate. We're just gonna go shopping. Hello! Nandito na kami back in Chimshatchui. Di na ako nakapag-vlog kasi nagmamadali kami sa outlet. Akala namin closing nila is 10 p.m. Yun pala, 9 p.m. yung close. Eh, ang dami pang gustong puntahan ng kids. So anyway, here are the halls. Yan, we had a good deal at Tommy. 30% off plus additional 30% off pa if you buy 6 or more pieces. So, sulit siya. Si RL, si Ralph Lauren, actually, it's just outlet price. It wasn't on sale. Tapos yung mga Timberland shoes ng mga boys na hinahanap daw nila. And yung Nike ni Mateo. So, successful naman. Lahat naman ng gusto nilang bilhin, nahanap namin. So, anyway, nandito na kami and we're gonna have dinner at Yakiniku Like. Doon nila gustong kumain. Diba, nandito kami sa Hong Kong pero Yakiniku Like. Kain muna kami. Dinner. Late dinner. Actually, it's 10 o'clock already. Buti na lang they're still open until 10:30. We're on our way there na. Hello, sorry, practice lang. Nasaraduhan nga pala kami ni Yakiniku Like. Kasi naubusan na daw sila ng rice. So, hindi na nila kami tinanggap. So, ngayon, ni-research ni Nabi, ang bukas na lang si Ichiran. So, kahit na nandito kami, Ichiran na naman din kami. Yakiniku Like kanina, but now Ichiran. So, those are our options. Kasi si Ichiran open hanggang 4 a.m. So, ayan na. Kasama na namin si Daddy. Bumangon na siya. Nakatulog na siya kanina. So, mag-i-Ichiran muna kami. Nandito kami sa may Modi Road. Ayan na siya. Si Ichiran. Ang laki pala niya. Hindi pa kami kumakain. Yung last meal namin, yung Cafe de Coral namin kanina ng mga 1 p.m. We're here! Ichiran! Tingnan natin kung magkano siya dito sa Hong Kong. We're here. It's a different Ichiran experience. Naka-table. Yan yung boys. So we order by scanning the QR code and paying online na. Ito yung menu nila. So this is the basic ramen. Here it's 98 Hong Kong dollars, which is 740 pesos and 65 centavos. Yan yung presyo ng ramen dito sa Hong Kong. Just to share with you, yung normal order nila sa Japan na set na ramen, may extra chasu with seaweed and egg. Dito lumalabas 166 Hong Kong dollars. So that's 1,254 pesos. Mas mahal, of course, because we're in Hong Kong. But let's see also the taste if it's the same. In fairness ha, ang dami, it's puno. It's full. And time check, it's 11 p.m. Ayan na, nandito yung order namin. There. Ay, hindi pala sa amin yun. Joke lang, patungan lang pala yung table sa tabi namin. Hindi pala sa amin yun. Ito na yung ramen ni Daddy. And yung mga extras na i-order ng kids. Yung seaweed nila nakabalot. This is seaweed. How is it?
For me lang, parang mas masarap yung sa Fukuoka.
Always. Let's try. Higop natin yung sabaw. Masarap pa rin naman.
Masarap pa rin siya.
Pero mas malasa pa rin nga yung sa Fukuoka. among all Ichirans. Oo. But it's still good, yes. It's still Japan level Ichiran. Enjoy muna namin yung ramen namin. We're done. We're done with Ichiran. Happy dinner naman. It was a good choice dahil pagod din kami. So, masarap din siya. Anyway, we're going back to the hotel. We're so tired na. Time check, it's
11:54 p.m.
almost 12 midnight. So I will end our first day here already. Tomorrow, we don't have a specific itinerary. Just go around Hong Kong with the rest of the group. So we'll see kung saan kami mapupunta tomorrow. That's it for day 1. Good night!
Bye.
Hello everyone! Welcome to our day 2 here in Hong Kong. It's actually 1:30 p.m. already, pero ngayon pa lang kami lalabas because we slept in a little bit dahil pagod kami from yesterday. Anyway, bago kami lumabas, I just want to share with you our observation with our expenses and yung exchange rates dito sa Hong Kong. Yung pinakauna namin ginawa, nagpalit kami dun sa currency converter dun sa Hong Kong Airport, yung machine. Yung exchange rate nun is nasa 0.11 6 something, parang 0.116. And then if you observe the exchange rates also dun sa mga currency exchange dito around Tsim Sha Tsui area, mga nasa ganung range din sila, 0.118, 0.116. So they're basically the same kahit dun sa airport. And then I tried using my GCash card withdrawing through the ATM. Yung exchange rate naman niya is 0.12. 0.1283 actually, yung exchange rate dun sa withdrawal. But if you use your GCash card, sa pag-purchase mismo directly with the card, ang exchange rate niya is 0.13. So yung pinaka-okay is if you use the GCash card directly in purchasing items. Okay. So yun lang, yung observation namin. Anyway, ayan na, may nagdo-doorbell na. We are gonna go out and have lunch and see kung ano yung pwede naming magawa later. See ya! Hello, we're all out now. We're walking. There. Ayan na yung iba. Papunta kami ng Quezon Roast Goose. Doon kami mag-attempt mag-lunch today. We've tried it actually the previous time that we were here. And sabi ni Daddy, baka it's a good place also for us to try. So, gusto rin niya kasing matry yun. So, doon namin itatry kumain ng goose. Yung hotel namin andon, we are approaching
I'm driving.
Nathan Road.
Yeah,
Ang daming tao ngayon dito sa Hong Kong, kahit yesterday. So busy. We're here na. We're looking for the Roast Goose place. Oh, ito yung kinainan namin dati ng noodles. Okay din siya. It's here. Okay, nandito na kami. We can go?
Separate the table.
Okay.
Yeah, separate table, okay. No problem. Ang dami kasi namin, 19 kami. Eh, di ba ang liliit ng mga restaurants nila
Maximum
dito?
capacity is 15.
Ayan yung itsura niya. Dati natakam kasi kami doon sa mga nakasabit na ganyan. But in all honesty, last time when we tried it, mas nagustuhan namin to kesa kay Yatlok. We also tried Yatlok, but we found this more sulit. So we'll try it. We're already here. We have our orders. This is the roasted goose leg. Ito kasi nasa picture nila, so this is what we ordered. But Daddy opted for the meaty part,
Slice.
the sliced goose. Yan. Mas mura to kaysa kay leg. This is 108 Hong Kong dollars. Yung goose leg is 123 Hong Kong. How is it? You like it? Ito yung kalahati sa likod. Yung iba malayo sa amin eh. How's your lunch? Happy eating! Happy lunching! There, leg ka din. Yeah. And this is the crispy pork. We got an extra order lang. Kain muna kami. Gutom na kami. Tingnan nyo. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Look at that skin. Oh my God. And it's crunchy.
That's my head. This one I just cleaned out.
Sarap. Fatty lang talaga ang duck and goose. Pero, masarap. You like it? Good, no? Sarap. Yeah. Sarap din ng sauce nila. Ang sarap ng sauce, this one. They have this on the table. Sarap. Pantanggal din ng suya yung sauce eh. We'll enjoy first. Hello, we're done eating already. Ako actually, hindi ko siya naubos kasi sobrang dami ng serving. Pero happy naman kami sa kanya. It's good. Kamustahin natin yung iba. Kamustahin natin tong table na to. Bakit ang dami niyong pagkain sa lamesa? Lahat sila, isa-isa, nag-set meal sila. Kinuha nila yung set meal for one. In fairness, mas mura siya lumalabas. Kasi 128 for the set meal. Pero, wala sila, hindi nila maubos. Ang dami ng serving in fairness. Sulit siya kung matakaw ka. No? O ito, set for 4.
Set for 4. So lumalabas
Set for
naman,
4.
115.
Ang dami pa nila. Parang hindi nyo naman binawasan yung chicken.
Bawasan na siya niya kanina. Oo, para siya
Talaga? Oh,
Pero
how
masarap.
much is that?
460.
Oh, 460. So lumalabas kasi...
Kasama ng soup,
Oo.
3
3 meats.
Oh, may pork, may chicken, may goose. May veggie.
Not bad for the price, pero sobrang dami.
Ang dami na talaga.
Oo.
Pero mas solid siya.
Yeah, kung tutuusin, yes. Pero nasarapan naman kayo dun sa duck. Sarap naman yung duck, no? Yung sauce, no? Yeah. O, sulit naman. Actually, mas sulit siya, pero ang dami. Kasi yung sa amin, yung isang rice, chicken on leg is 123. Yun lang. Yeah. Yes, kaya nga. Kasi nga yun, yung isang on rice, 128. Ay, 123. Sa inyo, 128. Yeah. May soup na, may veggies, 2 meats, at saka may drink na. May drink na. Pwede na for 2. Yes. Oo. But we're happy naman.
Yung portion
Nice.
niya for
Biglang 70. Bumibili kami dito ng fruits. Dito din kami bumili before. There. Yung cherries niya, 68. Well, ito daw 70 sa timbang niya. Lumalabas para mga 550 pesos. Pero parang 1 kilo din yung timbang niya. So, mura siya. Kasi 1,200 sa atin. Ngayon nga, 1,400. Yung cherries. Yung muscat niya, ganun din. Lumalabas, 500. Yung muscat grapes niya. We're all done eating. Nandito na kami ulit. Ang gusto nilang gawin is pumunta sa ferry going to Central. So, sasakay kami ng ferry. Babalik kami ulit ng hotel. Nasa likod yung station. Everyone's here. Ang daming tao, no? Hirap maglakad. Punong-puno din yung streets. Nandito na kami sa loob ng Gateway Arcade. Ito yung favorite naming matcha ice cream dito, si Chacha. Yung kanilang Uji Matcha Soft Cream for $40. This one. Simula nung nakidiscover namin to, we keep buying this ice cream already. They used to have the Hokkaido flavor also, but now they only have matcha. The Hokkaido was good also. Yeah.
I don't like matcha.
Yeah. But I like matcha. This matcha is good.
I love matcha.
Yeah, so so if you're here, you try that sa City Super, katabi ni Little Mermaid na bakery. Actually, this Little Mermaid, you see there's a line. Masarap din yung bread dyan. We're going back to the hotel first, pit stop, and then we're gonna go out again. Hello! Nandito na kami sa may harbor. There's a setup here ng Frozen. Ang daming tao. Ayan. It's nice. There. Ang daming tao. See? Ito ngayon yung decoration nila dito sa Harbor City. Naiwanan na nila ako actually sa dami ng tao. We're going to take the boat just for the experience again and go to Central. Mamaya na lang ulit. Hanapin ko muna sila. Nawawala na ako. Eto sila. Ayan na. I found you. Ano, saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? We'll just ride the ferry and then come back. And then watch the Symphony of Lights. You want to watch the Symphony of Lights? Here. This one. Okay. So, nandito na kami. Ayan. Si Star Ferry to Central. This is the lower deck. And then you can opt also to go to the upper deck. But this is okay. So daw nila kay upper deck. So pupunta kami doon sa kabilang entrance. Ayun, sa kabilang side. Entrance to the upper deck. There. Here, yes. To Central, there. Ito yung bilihan ng tickets. So pwede na siyang pwede ng digital. Magkano isa? So $5, ayan, $5 per adult. You can actually choose here, ayan. Pwede nyo siyang dagdagan kung ilang tao. Tapos, ito yung tokens. Ito yung ticket for the boat. Dito yung entrance. Ito na yung token namin. We all have one token already. Where are your token? Ang cute. And then you drop. There! Tapos dito yung antayan. Naiwan na kami ng isang bus. Ay, ng isang boat. Bukas na parang ride lang. Nagmamadali. Sumakay lahat. Bakit tayo nagmamadali?
Sa kanila ba kami?
Bakit tayo nagmamadali? We're already moving. Oh, ayan sila. Nagkakagulo kami, pero actually boat ride lang to. Maalon, oo. Diba, tuwan-tuwa sila. Kala mo nasa Disneyland ride. Nakasakay lang naman kami ng bangka. Babalik talaga tayo eh. Eto kami. Hindi ka nahihilo.
Hindi naman. Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Saan na?
Mamaya sa baba naman tayo, lower deck, para matry nila both. So, ikot-ikot lang naman kami dito ulit sa Central, tapos babalik din kami ulit ng Chimsha Chewy after. Useful pala tong wheelchair, ah. Tulak niyo ako. Push me! Oh! Daddy! Sige, anak, mga anak. Push. Push me. Iniwan ako. Ayaw niya umupo dito, ako muna.
Napapagod siya na.
Tulak niyo ako.
Tayo baba.
Pakita niyo sa kanya. Kung sino na nakasakay. Wait naman kay Mama Flor, inahan natin sila. Hi! Ayaw mo? Ako muna. Escalator tayo. Dali, dito tayo. Okay, we will go around IFC Mall first. Ang bango naman dito. This is the mall. Sabi ko sa'yo, pag-aagawan yan ng mga pagod eh. This is also IFC Mall. Ayan yung mga stores dito. Pinagkakaguluhan ngayon yung wheelchair kung sinong gagamit. Okay. We're done with IFC Mall kasi medyo mahaba-haba na rin yung lakad. Pagod na yung mga seniors na kasama namin. So, pabalik na kami ulit sa boat. Babalik na kami sa other side. And then, doon na lang kami kakain. Ang naging unanimous decision ng dinner, where are we gonna eat? In Hong Kong. Pero bukas nasa Japan na kami sa cruise. Ay, in 2 days. In 2 days. 3 days pala. Pero ang choice nila is Yakiniku Lake pa rin. So, punta muna kami doon. Ayan, to Chimsha Chewy Upper Deck Entrance. Bibili muna kami ng tickets. Titingnan namin kasi wala na kaming coins. Naubos na namin yung mga barya namin. So, we'll see if we can purchase through GCash. Oh, here we'll try. I think we can buy using digital payment. There. We can buy 10 tickets, $5 each again. $50. It work? There. And then, printing tickets. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so pwede pala dito na e-payment na. So, ganito na yung ticket namin, QR code na. Hinahanap nila yung coins. Hinahanap nila yung token. Yeah, kasi nakakaaliw yung token. Kaya wala na kaming barya. So, let's see. Tingnan naman natin kung paano gagamitin si QR code. Ayan, ganyan siya. Binibigay lang sa kanya. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for the boat and I think we can make it to Symphony of Lights. We can watch it from the boat, yes. Pasakay na kami ng boat. Ang daming tao. We're back here sa Ocean Terminal. So, kakain na kami ng dinner. Saan tayo kakain? Yakinikulay. O, pupunta na kami doon. Nandito na kami sa Canton Road. This is Canton Road at night. By the way, weather for tonight, it's 17 degrees. Pero actually, naka-puffer jacket kami. It's just comfortable. Malamig ba?
Ito, walang any.
Hindi. Eh, ako comfortable naman ako kahit naka-puffer jacket ako. So, it's okay, oo. Pero hindi siya ganun kalamig. 17 degrees. I guess siguro kasi marami ring tao, kaya hindi ganun kalamig. It's 8 p.m., 8:15 p.m. already. Hello, nandito na kami sa Yakinikulay. We ordered already yung Wagyu like set na kinuha ko. It's 221 Hong Kong dollars, which comes out to 1,673 pesos. Mahal din, ah. Although it's Wagyu, the 250 grams. And I have oolong tea. So, yun yung price niya. Yung kay Daddy, yung normal
The
Karubi set
Yeah, the large one.
with the drink.
Yeah.
With the large, yeah. How much? 100, 178 Hong Kong. 1,300 pesos. Because we're in Hong Kong. Tingnan natin. Ito na yung food ko. This is the Wagyu like set. There's the tongue. And the meats. And I got salad with the beef and kimchi soup. Ito naman yung order ni Daddy, the normal Karubi set ba yan?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's 1,300 with large rice and large meat. Ito din yung mga sauces nila. This is for the salad. There's salt and pepper. This is spicy miso sauce, sea salt, garlic, soy sauce. I think I like this one. And the original barbecue sauce. Let's try these two. Ayan. Let's try the soup. Good naman. Let's try their beef. Again, I got the Wagyu beef set. Malambot naman. It's good. Anyway, we'll enjoy our dinner first here at Yakinikulay, Hong Kong. How's your dinner? Good? Still good?
Always good.
Yeah, always good. Okay, we'll have dinner first. See ya! Hello, we're done eating na here at Yakinikulay. Yung total bill naming lahat, mga nasa 31,000 pesos. Pero 19 naman kasi kami lahat. So, okay lang din naman. It's also good, but double the price of Japan, of course. It's different. Yung karne kasi, iba talaga yung ano. Iba yung meat kay Japan. Oo. Normal beef. Oo. Yung, yes, oo. Different talaga yung original. Mas mahal pa to. Still good naman, yes. Yeah, still good, but it's different.
Pitsura naman.
Okay, nandito na yung hotel namin. So, pabalik na kami ng hotel. Hello! We're already back in our room. Time check, it's 10:30 p.m. So after our Yakiniku-like dinner, bumalik na kami sa kwarto. This is actually our last night here in Hong Kong already because tomorrow is already our embarkation day for our Royal Caribbean cruise. Pero bago ko tapusin yung vlog namin, I will give you a quick room tour first nitong isang kwarto na binigay sa amin. Kasi yung room namin, it has twin beds na magkahiwalay. And ito namang sa kanila, yung setup niya is different. 2 beds pa rin, pero magkadikit sila. Pagpasensyahan nyo na yung kalat kasi nga nag-e-empake na kami because tonight is our last night. At bukas ay mag-check out na kami. So ayan, may sofa din sila. Yes, these are the 2 beds. Basically, it's the same setup ng room, pero yung banyo nila is different. Kasi bathtub yung sa amin. And this is their bathroom. Ang gulo din ng banyo nila. Ito yung shower nila. So yung sa amin, bathtub yung setup. Sa kanila, it's shower. And this is their toilet. At ang mahiwagang tabo. Yan, ready sila, may baon. Because walang bidet. From Melbourne, sinabi pa yung may dala ng tabo. This is still the deluxe twin room dito kay Gateway Marco Polo. Pareho lang din yung sa amin actually. Magkaiba lang sila ng setup ng beds. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to end our Hong Kong trip here. Please join us on our next vlog because we will share with you kung kamusta naman yung aming Royal Caribbean cruise to Ishigaki and Okinawa, Japan. Good night! Oy, by the way, neighbor nga pala namin si Bossing at saka si Pauline. Parati nilang nakakasalubong. Ako actually, hindi ko pa sila nakikita. May souvenir sila kay Bossing at saka kay Pauline. They're very kind. Yeah, they're very nice. Yeah. Hi, Bossing. Hi, Pauline. Hello, Dabbercats. Good night! See you on our cruise! Bye!